Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day 2 of Learn DAX in 45 days. So today I'll discuss one DAX function, that is all selected function. Do let me know in the comment section which DAX function you want to learn in the next day, such that day 3. Based on the comment, I'll pick up one DAX function which is commented by most of the people. Fine. So let's jump to the Power BI and see all selected function in a detailed way. So we are here on the Power BI desktop. So before I explain anything, okay, first I'll show you the table. So the table name is, we have sales table, and we have 3 columns: region, product and price. Okay, we have total 4 regions and 2 product, that is mobile and laptop, and respective price for each product for each region. I'll go to the report view and explain what I have here. So I have pulled region into the slicer. I have created 2 measure, that is total sales and total all sales. I'll explain these 2 measures in a bit. Please be with me. And third, I have pulled one table, and for that table I have dragged region, price and percentage all. So percentage all is nothing but the division of total sales by total all sales. Fine. I hope as of now everything is clear. So if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. I promise by end of 45 days you will have like crystal clear understanding of DAX and when to use which DAX function. Okay, and if you are a data aspirant looking for looking for job change, and so I have created a separate Telegram group for that. So please go and join the Telegram group where I post daily job updates. Link is in the description box. Fine. So now let's understand each measure. So here I could see, here you could see we have 3 measures. First is total sales. So total sales is nothing but the sum of sales price. Okay, so the sum of this price column, and this total all sales is nothing but the sum of total price without any filter. Okay, because we are using here all function. I hope you understand. So if I select, let's say, East region, here see total sales is changing for East region, that is 65,000, but this total all sales is not changing. Why? Because we have removed all type of filter using all function in a DAX. Okay, so our main motto here is to use all selected function. So everything is fine here, but one demerits I could see here. See, when I select, let's say, any region, East region, first of all I'll not select any region. See, so the total is 100%, fine. But if I select, let's say, East region and North region, total is 41.08%. But I want to see total 100% of whatever region I select. For, let's say, if I select region, only one region, that is East region, percentage 21.28%, but I want 100%. Why? Because I am selecting only one region, and that should, the count should be like the percentage should be 100%. So to deal with that, we have all selected function in a DAX. So let's see what we can do. So I'll just copy this measure. I'll create one new measure. The measure name will be all selected sales. I'll say all selected sales, and in place of all I'll write all selected. Okay, all selected, and here we have percentage of all. So I'll copy this, I'll create one new measure, and this new measure will have the percentage, the name will be all select. Here we are dividing total sales by total all sales. No, total, I'll divide with total all selected sales, and this 0 is nothing but if we are dividing with 0, then that particular row will be 0. Okay, so all selected. So I'll just copy one more here card and I'll paste, I'll drag this all selected. I'll just do format painting. Okay, format painting. See, as of now all three are same है ना. So total sales, total all sales and total all selected sales all are same. But if I, let's say if I select East, see total sales and total all sales is coming same, but here total all sales we are not seeing any filter on total all sales. If I, let's say, select two column, that is East and North, and total all sales is whatever we are selecting, then summing up that particular price for that particular region. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just drag this total into this table. No, sorry, I'll drag this all selected into the table. Here is coming in decimal, so I'll just change into percentage. Yeah, see, as of now I have not selected any region, anything, so that is the reason all and percentage all both are coming equal. But if I select, let's say, region 1, any region, let's say East, then see, for percentage all, percentage is coming 21.28, but for all selected percentage is coming 100%. If I select, let's say, North, see, percentage is coming 41.08 for percentage all, but 100% for percentage all selected. So if I tell you the definition of all except, what all except does is, it returns all rows in a table or a value in a particular column, but it will ignore if we apply any filter while writing the query in a measure. But it will keep any other existing filter context. That means if I writing let's say measure, and if I writing that filter inside that measure, then all select will ignore that filter. But if we are using, let's say, any visuals or any slicer, as here we are using for region, in that case all select will apply on that particular filter. Okay, so let's here I'll explain you. See, for whatever I am selecting, total sum is coming 100%, but total percentage is coming 72.83 for percentage all. Why? Because we are not applying any filter on this, but all selected we are applying whatever we are selecting. I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in the comment section. Definitely I'll look into it, and yeah, we will meet soon. Till then, take care and bye.